Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add transparent GIFs to OBS, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once you have OBS running, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see the Sources panel. This is where you manage all the visual elements that appear in your stream or recording. Click the plus icon to add a new source, then from the menu that appears, select Image. A dialog box will pop up, so just click OK to proceed. Now you'll see a new window appear with options for your image source. On the right side of this window, locate and click the Browse button. This will open your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate to wherever you've saved the GIF you want to use. Find your GIF file, select it, and click Open to confirm your choice. Once you've selected your file, click OK to add it to your sources. With your GIF now added to OBS, you'll need to make its background transparent. Head back to the Sources panel in the bottom left corner. Right-click on the image source you just added, and from the context menu that appears, select Filters. This opens the Filters window where you can apply various effects to modify how your GIF appears. In the Filters window, look at the bottom left corner and click the plus sign to add a new filter. From the list of available filters, select Color Key. This filter is essential for removing specific colors from your image, which is exactly what creates the transparency effect. Click OK to add the filter. Now you'll see the color key settings appear. At the top, look for the option labeled Key Color Type. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Custom Color. This gives you precise control over which color gets removed from your GIF. On the right side of the window, click the Select Color button. This opens a color picker dialog. On the left side, you'll see an eyedropper tool labeled Pick Screen Color. Click on it to activate the eyedropper. Now, on the left side of the color picker, click on the color White. Then click OK to confirm. Since the background of the GIF is white, selecting white tells OBS to remove that color. If your GIF has a different background color, make sure to select that specific color instead. Next, navigate to the similarity setting. You'll see a slider right beside it. This slider controls how strictly OBS matches the color you selected. Adjust the slider to the left gradually and watch as your GIF's background becomes transparent. Keep adjusting until the background is completely removed and your GIF appears transparent. Once you're satisfied with the transparency, click Close at the bottom right of the Filters window. Your GIF should now have a transparent background. If needed, you can resize the image by clicking on it in the preview window and dragging the corners to adjust its size and position. And that's it. You've successfully added a transparent GIF to OBS and can now use it in your streams or recordings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.